Hello everyone, welcome back to another video.
I'm going to show a video. What you got?
On you go then. Okay everyone,
We got Ali Law.
Possibly.
Hi Viz.
Or it might be my own company's merchandise.
Yeah,
You never know, I might be releasing merch soon.
Or slashes.
That's Cody Law, the power of the Viz. The power of the Viz, the confidence in the Viz, and you can get, with experience and confidence, you can get away with almost everything.
And today, I'm going to get away with everything looking like this now.
I have gotten myself a job at this construction site today. We are going to be checking.
This is the 7th fucking
This is the 6th video at the this is 7th video at the construction site. You're probably all fucking hating it.
Oh Lord. Again. Again. Nothing new, nothing changed, same old shit.
But I have gotten myself, I was in contract negotiations with the bosses from this place and I have gotten myself a job here.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you. Okay. Reason being, because, you know, I have to check all the 444s, all the 666s, the 144s or the 444s. We have to check a lot, okay? So we're going to go and check all them today. And if anyone comes and asks us why we are in here, I will tell them I am checking the 444s. Easy as that. So let's get today's video up and going. Obviously, I do work here now. I am a highly trained naturalist.
If you see this, you need to get fucking hard hats.
Yeah, Alil, if you see this, you have to send us more vises, please.
And hard hats.
And hard hats. And a hard on, sorry.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I now work here at this construction site, and we are just here checking the 444s.
You have to have confidence.
You have to have confidence. I have a vis on gate. I work here.
Yeah, but you're going to climb up this quietly, mate. Try not fucking rattle the whole thing.
But what? But I work here though. I think you might want to lose your attitude for a fucking knock out of you, kid. Is it now? That's tough. I work here anyway, so it doesn't matter. Oh, we going straight to top? Excuse me, what are you doing on scaffolding?
I work here, mate.
Do you do it? Do you do it? You spat over my... Excuse me, what are you doing here?
Are we staying on second?
What are you doing here?
You fucking...
What, excuse me, sir, what are you doing here? Are you working here?
No.
No, right, we're checking the...
Lads, I don't trust top.
Read what it says. Okay, let's go. Let's go to top.
Hey, fuck off.
Okay, fine. I know this is the 7th video of nothing, but we're actually going to go check the 444s today. Alright, let's get something jotted. Hold on. Let's see. Is this a... Oh my god. To deliver a box of Jafa cakes, obviously. That should stick. Is it? That's chilling.
They're here. Jaffa cake.
New video.
The Jaffa cakes are here.
Should I put them back on the roof with this? Come to talk with me then. I'm working the 444s today. Okay, everyone. Okay. No. Okay, that's your Jafa cake box up there now.
Cody, here wants to go middle, like this.
Alright, yeah. What? Oh my god. I have fallen. Oh no. I have fallen again. Is my high-vis vest ruined? I am fine. I have made it. Okay, I'm fine. I have fallen. George, I have fallen. But I am okay. Guys, I fell. That actually really hurt. Where?
I'm going to check all the other houses that we haven't.
Yeah, I'll come.
You need to stay here, we'll be like 2 minutes.
I'm trying.
Mate,
We're all coming then. That actually really hurt my fucking knee. Oh my god. I have a high-vis vest.
Today, guys, we're going to be leaving a bottle of lemonade in the house.
Yep. Oh, what's this?
Yeah, that's it.
Ring girl. Plot number 67 available.
I'm 69.
What do you mean by that?
Do you want to do 69 with me?
Gay!
No. Cute, I know we would. Right, everyone, quick side note. Oh, George's shoes were white as fuck.
We should take George in a quicksand.
He's already been.
What? Do you want to go back up the scaffolding? Anybody coming back up? What the fuck's that?
Next up for javelin throw is Cody. He makes it 150 metres.
Kieran's turn.
Next up for the javelin throw is Kieran Coyle. Cody wins.
Is anyone coming back up?
All this is just stuck because it's been pulled. Possibly. What is this used for? What? You can get a ladder, did you say? Oh shit, yeah.
Get a ladder up to the fucking top.
Looks like this is an ass video, guys.
You have to idea, me. That's the fucking outback here. I'm the fucking territorial. Cody scaffolding again.
In a minute. I can walk on water, I am Jesus Christ.
Yeah, we're on top of the big hill.
That's fine. Ah.
Guys, I can turn my torch on and off.
Don't go fucking thing in the puddle or anything, Kieran. I'm Jesus right now.
Torch on. Phone off. Torch off. Phone off. What the fucking cunt. What if he fucking dies at the end?
No, it's not. Alright boys, John has joined the party. Is this just like rock climbing, is it? Okay, is it just like rock climbing? Oh. What did you say? How are you gonna get, you motherfucker, are you gonna get back down? Oh, the view. Look at this. Yes, boys. How? Right, move. Sam, mate, you just nearly killed me. Oh, yes, kid. Wait, I'm coming down.
Fuck.
What?
I'm getting a weight from our rock then.
That's all going to come crumbling down the minute I put my...
That's why you down there, mate. Put your foot down.
Ow, my fucking ass. I don't care, I'm coming down. Did you? Well, oh, look at this rock. I can't.
Yeah, lads, look.
What happened?
Not junkie needle, but a lot of shite.
Is John in?
Yeah.
Was that him that went, oi boys?
Yeah. Oh. Get John in for a grappling event. Someone help me up. He's trying to climb up the wrong way. He's taking it dangerous way.
Wait, oi, Cade, a new series I'm going to start on my channel is Cade's Rock. Cade's like, you pick up a rock and just start talking about it.
You slide it down.
So let's do our first episode today, Cade. Here you go, Cade. Speak about it.
Right, so the diameter of the rock. It's quite girthy.
Yep.
What
Is there anything else that's quite girthy, Cade?
No, not really. A couple more of them rocks.
Oh, where do you think it originated from?
Canada.
Probably.
Boys, there's people in here. There's only not one video for you.
Oh, there's a fucking... Oh my god.
What, what's in it? Is it ice?
There's a lot of it.
Put a rock in there, throw a rock. It will still fucking tip me up.
Whoa.
Is that a bit shallow? Is that a bit shallow?
Oh, no.
You just put a rock in it. Well,
Oi. Let's oi, shh. Let's do ASMR, right? ASMR. Shh, everyone. Shh. Oh. Shh. Wait there. Okay, here we go. Right, guys. Shh. Oh, that sounds lovely. You motherfuckers. Wanna fucking go? Sam, let's do like an action here or smash it over your head.
No, do it in no, fuck off.
I'll do it on John's. John, let's do an action scene where I smash this on your head.
Fuck you. If you want to do that,
Ah.
You're gonna do punk?
Huh.
Your hands look worse than that.
Oh, my hands are fucking soaked.
Fuck off, muddy spot.
My hands are fucking... Look at my hands. You're a bit muddy. Look at my fucking hands. I'm all fucking shit with that. I mean, I have to go no gloves. Looks like I'm gonna have to, guys. Oi.
What the fuck are you doing? What if they're keeping something holding on the scaffolding?
Exactly.
You mean something
Where's Cade?
out loose?
Is Cade straight at the top, is he? Hi. Right, Cade, let's have your analysis. What are you breaking if you fall from here? You fall all the way down there.
Oh, probably a few fucking legs.
A few legs, you've only got two. Yeah. Yeah.
Your kneecap.
hello.
Hi.
They should add scaffolding in Fortnite.
Oh, really? No, swing off that would probably kill me, Gad. John. Feliz Navidad. What the fuck is that?
Oh, the shit's coming.
Oi, what's that sound?
Fucking plane, mate. The plane.
Uh-huh.
Do you have any quotes for your followers?
Yes. Here's my quote for you, everyone. Don't try this at home. Here's my quote for everyone. If you're ever in a sticky situation, yeah,
Just
and you
make
need
it
to
more
get-
sticky.
What do you mean by that?
Yeah, that works. If you're ever in a sticky situation, all you need is a high-vis vest. Any quotes from the boys that you can give anyone? Sam?
I have a quote.
Sam?
I don't have any.
Any fucking quote?
I mean,
Have you got
quote.
it? On you go.
it's literally
The first time we've not been caught.
I've got one.
I have a quote.
Mickey Mouse is the
What's your
best.
quote,
Is
John?
that a suicide net or a trampoline?
Might be wrong.
Is that a what?
Okay, what's your quote, Sam?
Mickey Mouse is the very best.
Is he now?
Yeah.
Let's have a look at your chain, Sam.
We used to.
Oh, I used to have a chain like that. No, it was like a key.
Can I have it? No.
Back in the days, we had a woman. Now we wonder if it is a woman.
Cody, tell Kieran to stop. Guys, I'm gonna take his chain.
No, you're not. Because then you're paying for a new one. What the fuck is this? Oh, the balance on this is crazy. One wrong footing and you're fucking gone.
He's gonna jump scare you.
Oh, George, mate, fucking hell.
Oh shit. Oh, the feet are soaked. What? Oh, the feet are soaked.
So it's the last construction video I'm filming.
For a little while.
I say we go up to the top of the scaffolding and try and get caught and just scream. Scream stuff.
Yeah.
And
Let's get
see-
Cade. Let's get Cade.
Give me a minute.
Oh, have you got a quote of the day?
What?
You got a quote of the day?
Wait, Cody, should we go on the police officer?
Shh, what's your quote of the day, Cade?
I forgot. If you're sad, give up.
Yeah. Wow. Quote of the day from Cade, that's excellent.
Should we phone the police officer?
Why is there a cat toy in here?
New cat toy for Kitty.
Yeah, right, giveaway time now.
Cat's been hit.
Oh, you fucker, where's that one? Oh, over there.
Wow, great. What a fucking follow.
Right, are we going to run the scaffolding?
This isn't John to call 101 on.
5 boys in the construction site, it's us. Okay, this is the last construction site video for a while. All 6 of us actually are going to go on top of the scaffolding and scream one thing each. And then we're going to leave. Idea of what to shout, it brings back old memories from our first video.
Watches your videos.
Does he actually?
Yeah.
What's his name? Greg.
Greg Campbell.
Hello Greg Campbell, shout out to you.
I'll give you 30p to stand on the other side.
Do not go there.
Why?
No, because then I'll go down for murder.
Hold my hand.
Lads.
Well guys, I guess.
No, Cody. No, Cody.
No, stop.
Kieran, that's gonna. Lads, look at this guy.
Take my shoes.
No, stop.
Cody, get the fuck back over.
I don't have my life.
Let me go over then, move. Everyone, one thing each is going to go first.
Who's going first?
Who's going first?
Not me.
You go, John?
I got a fight or something.
Just say we're in the scaffolding.
We're in the scaffolding, you pussy!
On you go, Sam?
Come again, little fuck your mom! You Mouse is the best!
Fuck you all, call the police!
Whoever cannot catch us is a cum bum. Let's go. My work here is done. I have 2 minutes. I have finished my work in my high-vis vest. The 444s have been checked, and now I can take this vis off because I do not work here anymore. This is the final construction video. Everyone say goodbye.
Bye.
Everyone say goodbye.
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 Say goodbye, Kieran.
Goodbye.
You go, John. Say goodbye.
Bye.